Rasa Duyana Rizal, student from Batam State Polytechnic. Here I will explain a little about project-based learning. And number one, background. Number two, design robot and system control. Number three, material. And number four, flowchart and graphic. Okay, one is background. KRSBI is one of the student creativity program under the main activity of the Indonesian Robot Contest or KRI, which is in Terets is 17th year since it was first held. In accordance with the roadmap, this activity is considered very strategic to be able to become one of the leading objects of world-class robotics engineering, research and education with a direct orientation to the same community around the world. Okay, this contest is a national qualification event to represent Indonesia in the Robot Cup, which is an official world level social robot competition under the Robot Cup organizations such as the FIFA organization in the Human Football World Champions. Referring to the KRSBI regulation, which were adapted from the Robot Cup regulation, robots are required to be able to play ball for 5 minutes on a field measuring, where the robot used is humanoid type with a height between. Robots must be designed closely as possible to human and are not allowed to use activity sensors that are not owned by human sense. This is a design robot striker, and this is design robot keeper. This is system control, input device, compass, sensor, camera, subcontrol 2, subcontrol 1, laptop, motor, and kicker. And this material, sensor orange. The orange sensor serves to detect whether the ball is right on the dribble or not, which will be an input signal to continue the algorithm in attacking. And next, Logitech camera. The Logitech camera functions as input to the Vision robot, where from the picture captured by the camera it will be sent to the laptop via USB serial, where this data will be used to detect orange ball, villains, and goals. Next, solenoid kicker. The function of an inducator or coil is to store electric current in a magnetic field. In this system, the magnetic field generated will push the plunger in the middle cavity of the solenoid. And next, rule philosophy. 1. Robot Cup rules should not in any way describe the behavior of how the game is played. Rules shall only ensure that a fair competition takes place and encourage both technical and creative development. 2. Robot Cup rules shall avoid to constrain the decision of robot, include the mechanical construction, their use of sensor system, communication equipment, etc., unless the constraint seem necessary to further scientific progress to ensure a fair competition. Mechanical construction, their use of sensor system, communication equipment, etc., unless the constraint seem necessary to further scientific progress to ensure a fair competition. Example constraint: global vision system are not primitive in the middle-sized lake. And 3. Teams shall avoid to search for gaps are inconsistent in the rules to achieve advantage in specific game situation. If a team finds such gap or inconsistency, they are explicitly requested to report those to the technical committee. Next, design philosophy. Each team should design their robots without making interpretation of placing expectation on how the environment around the field will look like, about spectator, what other teams will do, what robot should look like, or how they will behave. 2. Each team is under no obligation to accommodation modification will look like, about spectator, what other teams will do, what robot should look like, or how they will behave. 2. Each team is under no obligation to accommodation modification to their own robot to shield other teams. Any such modification by mutual consent only. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.